Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I am so happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the laundry stripping hack. And let me just tell you, it is a complete game changer. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and also turn the notification bell on so you never miss out on a new video. Now let's get at it and get it done. I'm a huge fan of Go Clean Co, so I'm going to be using their laundry stripping recipe. First, I'm going to start by filling up my bathtub with hot water and then add in 1 cup of Tide laundry detergent, 1/4 cup of borax, and 1/4 cup of Arm & Hammer washing soda. Then stir the mixture well until it dissolves and then add in the clothes. You also want to make sure to sort your laundry, so you wouldn't want to soak your bright whites with blue jeans or dark colored clothes.
Asleep, the night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open.
I wanted to use my dad's clothes to see how well it works because he sweats pretty heavy and he's outside a lot, and he noticed that his clothes were smelling kind of funky even after using white vinegar and laundry sanitizer, so I figured his clothes are in need of a good old deep clean. I'm using my O-Cedar spin mop handle to push all the clothes around. Once the clothes are submerged, you want to soak them for at least 4 hours and stir them once every hour.
Fall asleep, the night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young.
Once the time is up, you want to give it a good stir. I let these sit for over 4 hours because I wanted to make sure they were squeaky clean, and I was totally shocked at how dirty and icky the water was from the clothes.
Do it on repeat.
After I drained the water out, there was a layer of ick in the bottom of the tub from what was stripped out of the clothes. After all the water is drained out, you want to wring the clothes out and then put them in a bucket to keep water from dripping in the floor on the way to the washing machine.
Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la.
The final step is to wash them in the washing machine with no added soap because there's plenty left over in the clothes. After they finish washing, just dry them and fold them.
Be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I. I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms.
The clothes smell so fresh and they're super soft and super clean. I'm very impressed, and now I want to do this to all the laundry in the house. If you try this out, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and spending time with me. I would love to have you here, so make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all!